We're going to start with TripAdvisor. On paper, it looks like the fourth quarter was mixed for TripAdvisor, but investors are not treating it that way. Revenue was higher than expected. Monthly visitors were up. Shares of TripAdvisor down about 8% this morning. It comes on the heel of a really good year, though. 2018, very good year if you're a TripAdvisor shareholder.
Yeah, and I think that's most of the explanation for the stock price movement so far today, which, as you point out, is negative, but it really kind of met expectations, which at this point the market was looking for a little bit of guidance that the hotel operations were picking up, and that was not the part of the business that improved, and that's the biggest part. So you take the drop today combined with a good 2018. When you look at this stock, does it look cheap? Does it look like even with the drop, it's still, a little expensive? Well, I guess you've got to be able, as I indicated before, you've got two different parts of the business right now, hotel and non-hotel. And for the year, hotel started the year off about 4 times as big as the non-hotel, $244 million revenue for the fourth quarter of 2017, only $240 for 2018, so off 2%, whereas the non-hotel is increased 38% and is now about half the size. So you've got to be able to read through which of those stories is going to be the dominant one going forward. And you can have that kind of growth for a while. The non-hotel is sort of the restaurant category and experiences. But hotel was a big bet of the company, and at the moment that doesn't look to be a great long-term one given the competition, which is pretty ferocious there.
I was just going to say, it would seem like, if not the number one reason for buying shares of TripAdvisor today, certainly in the top 3 is you think that non-hotel part of the business is going to grow pretty significantly because, as you said, it's not just the Pricelines and Expedias of the world. It's also the hotels themselves, which walk this fine line between, yes, we want to be available on platforms like TripAdvisor, Expedia, Priceline, et cetera. We would also really like it if people just came straight to our website and booked that way.
Yes, and so the competition is on a lot of different fronts, and a lot of very well-funded fronts from the booking holdings and everybody else, and is lesser on the experiences and restaurants, which people might benefit more from the review options that TripAdvisor has there than hotel, where I think the reviews are plentiful on other sites.